Okay, so this is 1.5 cups of rice. You can use any kind of rice. We're using sushi rice because that's what we have on hand today. And also lape, which is split peas. And how much is that? Yeah, like a little bit more than half a cup of split peas. And you're just going to cook them together with how much water? You just want to put enough water in the pot that it covers all the rice plus like half an inch of water. Okay, and you're going to let that cook for about anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, and then you're also going to put an onion with some oil in a pan and get that searing. Okay, and here we have cilantro and parsley, and we're just getting that in the food processor. To about that size. Okay, and we have a package of vegan meat here. You can use any kind as long as it's sticky. We're using the Gimme Lean plant-based sausage. And you're just going to add the rice and the split peas. Some garlic powder. Some black pepper. Some salt. And season it to taste. And some turmeric.
Okay. I'm going to mix it with a meegaan.
Okay, so we didn't use all of the rice and split peas yet. We're going to mix it and see if it needs it or not. Okay, and we're also going to add some dried mint. So if they have it fresh, they can put it in the food processor too.
Any other herbs, whatever.
Okay. And mix it with your hands like you would vegan kebab or anything else. Okay, so you can add dill and basil if you want. Okay, so then we're going to add a whole can of tomato paste. This is 6 ounces. And we also put some turmeric, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper in here, which is also to taste, and just mix that all together. Okay, just let that cook for like a minute together, and then we're going to add some water. We're going to turn the heat up from like a low heat to like a medium high, and you're going to add about 6 cups of water. And once this starts boiling, we'll turn the heat down a little bit while we form the balls. At this stage, you also want to give it a little taste and see if it needs any more spices to your liking. And we're going to add some Sumac as well. So to form the balls, our mom says that you should put some water on your hands so that they don't stick very easily to the mixture, and then you're just going to put as big or small size you want. Put that amount of mixture in your hands and just form a ball. So once you feel that your hands start getting a little bit dry, make sure you add water again to your hands, and when you're pressing it into a ball shape, make sure you press kind of hard because you want it to be like condensed so that everything sticks better together. So our mom also wanted us to explain that Any kind of rice will do, but Asian rice is usually better for this because Asian rice, it doesn't have to be sushi rice, just any kind of like Asian rice where it's a shorter, fatter grain is usually, it's more sticky, so it's really good in this recipe. I would recommend using that if you can. And this started boiling, and now we turn the heat down until we start adding the balls. So we also forgot to add fresh garlic. We usually add fresh garlic, but we forgot, so just add that in as well. And sometimes if we have it on hand, we add some dried plums in at this stage. And if you have that, yeah, you definitely should add it in there because it just adds another flavor element and it gives some sweetness to it. It's really good. They're so beautiful. So it made almost a dozen like large balls. So pretty. And now we're gonna put the lid on, but we're gonna leave it a little bit open and we're gonna keep it on a low heat. So we're gonna cook this entire thing for almost about an hour, and in like 20 minutes from now, you just want to flip all of the balls over so that the other side can get cooked very carefully. Our mom says make sure that you flip it very carefully so that the balls stay together. So it's been about 15 minutes. We're gonna flip them over, and the way that you do that, our mom says the best way is to just like shimmy the pan. That's the most gentle way to flip it over. And if you are too scared to do that method, then this is how she does it with a spatula, just gently. Yeah. And if you guys have any of the rice and split peas left over like we do, then put that leftover in here as well. It's really delicious when it's done. Make sure for the whole hour that it's cooking not to let it boil. Don't let it simmer any more than this. It can even be a little bit lower than this, and that way the balls won't open up while it's cooking. Alright, so it's been about 45 minutes to an hour and it is beautifully cooked. Just check on it after 45 minutes. Yours might be ready quicker. See how you like it. And this is how it looks when it's ready. It's really beautiful. It's delicious. We can't wait to give it a try. And you can put whatever you want to eat with this. You can have it alone, you can have it with pita bread, you can have it with vegan yogurt, more herbs, onions, whatever you like. I'm just gonna try a bite here. Look at the inside, is so beautiful. And the sauce is so perfectly thick and rich without any meat or anything in it. It's like, wow. Mom, that is so good. I love it. Oh my god, that's so delicious. I can taste the herbs and all the spices, and the split peas have like a little bit of a texture bite to them. It's so perfect. And the rice, it's so smart that you use the Asian rice instead of the basmati rice. It's so perfect in here. Oh my god, that's so good. With those fresh herbs. Look at the beautiful color. It's just so fresh and flavorful and light. You guys, I hope you guys enjoy. And there is the vegan koofteh, you guys. Or you can call it Persian meatballs. I don't know. Delicious. Give it a try and let us know how you like it.